No Calendly subscription? No problem. Use Gmail Calendar for free.
Hi guys, I'm back and we're back to the very basic na paggawa ko ng video. And by the way, I wanted to say sorry pala doon sa mga video na nagawa ko previously na medyo pangit yung audio. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagkakaganon siya pero I tried my best na i-fix yun. Kasi okay naman siya before ko siya i-upload pero for some reason nasisira siya pag na-upload na. Anyway, let's make this quick. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang inyong Google Calendar para magmukha siya na yung client nyo ay magbubook ng availability nyo, that it will look like na parang you're using Calendly. So, let's go. All you have to do is to go to your Gmail, and then go to your calendar. And then once you're in your calendar, you just have to click create and then click appointment schedule. And then you just have to set your availability. So for example, you have to put in your availability. So set up meeting or one-on-one meeting, or pwede mo ilagay dyan kahit ano. So, lagay natin this is a test. Okay? And then, yung appointment schedule, kung ilang duration, kung ilang minuto or oras nyong gusto. So, for example, 15 minutes lang gusto nyong ibigay, i-allot doon sa client para kausapin kayo, pwede yan. And then, pwede mo i-set up dito kung ano yung availability mo for the whole week or for that particular day. So, for example, you're available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Make sure lang, guys, na aayusin nyo yung inyong time zone. Kasi, syempre, we all know na they are in Eastern Standard Time, or minsan, nasa Pacific. So, you have to make sure na i-set up nyo yung tamang time zone. And then all you have to do is to click next. And then kung gusto niyo maglagay ng description, it's up to you guys. And then dito yung booking form, pwede mong ilagay dyan kung gusto mo maglagay ng item na for example, custom items, lagay mo remarks or yung topic. So, kailangan, I suggest i-require nyo siya para, pagka, ilagay nila yan dyan. So, booking confirmation, yan yon. All you have to do is to save it. Tapos, makikita mo na siya sa iyong calendar. So, let's see, by month. Ayan. So, may mga ganyan na dyan sa calendar nyo. And then, all you have to do is to give them you have to click one and then give them the link. So, you have to open it, click share, click link, and then copy link. And once na, para matry nyo siya, you have to open the link in your own browser para makita nyo kung ano yung makikita ng client nyo kapag itatry na kayong i-book. So, voila! Kala mo para kayo nang Calendly kapag ibubook na kayo ni client. So, lalabas dyan lahat ng mga availability slots na pwede nilang i-book sa'yo. Okay? So, sabi dyan 15 minutes per appointment. So, I hope this helps. And let's book those clients. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to follow and share my video. Bye-bye.